Most people panic when they see the message, "Order cancelled," on Walmart.t. They think something went wrong with their account or payment. Here's the truth no one tells you. Most Walmart order cancellations happen for simple reasons like payment verification, stock issues, or system checks. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to fix a Walmart order canceled issue in 2026, and what you can do step by step to prevent it from happening again. Let's break it down clearly. First, all orders are managed through the Walmart app or website system. When you place an order, Walmart automatically checks payment, availability, and account activity before confirming it. Now here's where it gets interesting. A cancellation can happen at different stages, and the fix depends on when it happens. So let's go step by step. First, check your cancellation reason inside the Walmart app. Go to your order details. You will usually see a short explanation like payment issue, item unavailable, or verification required. Now imagine someone like Alex ordering groceries. He places the order, but a few minutes later it gets cancelled because the item is out of stock at his nearest store. But here's the problem most people miss. They assume the order is fully confirmed immediately after checkout, but Walmart often runs background checks before final approval. Now let's break down the most common causes and fixes. If the issue is payment related, your card may have been declined, temporarily blocked, or flagged for verification. The fix here is simple. Update your payment method in the app, and try placing the order again. If the issue is item availability, it means the product sold out before the store could fulfill your order. In this case, you need to reselect the item, or choose a different store location. Now here's another important scenario. Sometimes Walmart cancels orders due to account security checks. This can happen if the system detects unusual activity. In this case, logging out, updating your password, and retrying the order often helps. Now, let's talk about timing. If your order was canceled after processing started, refunds are usually automatic and go back to your original payment method. It may take a few business days depending on your bank. Now here's something most people don't realize. Repeated cancellations can sometimes trigger account limitations. That means the system becomes more cautious with future orders, especially if payment issues happen repeatedly. So let's simplify everything. To fix a Walmart order canceled issue, check the reason in the app, fix payment or availability problems, and reorder after correcting the issue. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They keep retrying the same order without checking why it was canceled in the first place. That usually leads to repeated failures. So the smart approach is simple. Always verify your payment method, check item stock before ordering, and review cancellation details in the app before trying again. Once you understand this system, cancellations become predictable instead of confusing. So, here is the final takeaway. Walmart order cancellations are usually caused by payment issues, stock problems, or verification checks, and each one has a simple fix if you know where to look. If this helped you understand how to fix Walmart order canceled issues in 2026, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides like this.